over 40 with mature skin, hooded eyelids, and wearing glasses like me. If you need an inspo for quick and easy holiday makeup look, stay with me next few minutes. Hello everyone, I'm Natalia and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you quick and easy makeup for holiday season, so glam makeup, but very good for mature skin, for hooded eyelids as I have, for wrinkles, for discoloration. So let's start. Let's start with prepping eye face. So I'm using Q&A Vitamin C Moisturiser and on top of it, blurring Catrice primer. Always apply moisturizer on neck as well. Second step is this Catrice Blur Primer. It gives you silky glass-like skin. It's a great barrier between foundation and your skin, and it's a very good product. I have no idea how many times I bought it so far. It even blurs wrinkles, fine lines, fills them in, so that's why I apply it everywhere, literally. See how smooth my skin looks like now. And when you touch it, it just glides. We prep the face. Now foundation. As a foundation, I'm going to use MAC Studio Fix Fluid. It's a shade NC13. It's a bit lighter for me, and that's why I'm going to mix it with these two liquid contour and highlighter. This is from Primark, and this is dupe for Charlotte Tilbury, their makeup wands. I'm applying it with a double-ended foundation brush from Primark. It's also dupe for, I think, Makeup Mario brush. So I'm not gonna drag because it emphasizes wrinkles and pores. I'm just gonna tap gently. I'm gonna use this Catrice True Skin Concealer in shade 10, Cool Cashmere. It's very light, and I'm gonna add it only in the corner, here. And here to lift our eye. Also a little bit of here. And middle of my forehead. I have some scars, blemishes. I'm gonna add it here and a bit my jawline. I'm gonna use a bronzer, Melted Sun Liquid Bronzer from Catrice. And since I'm 44, I don't do classic contour. I use this as a bronzer to lift my face. So higher on the cheekbones and around higher here. Gently side of my nose to make it a bit smaller. When we blend bronzer upwards, higher than usual. Bronzer done. Now together blush and highlighter. Blush is Stain, Juicy Stain Essence Water Tint, and I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks and my lips as well, to give them a little bit of stain before I apply final lip combo. This is shade 20, Grapefruit Bliss, and it's very pigmented, bright red. I like to tap a little bit in the middle of the nose and sides of my forehead. Blend again. It stains really fast, so you need to work quickly. Now this tiny Primark highlighter, a very interesting product. The product is in the lid actually, you need to swirl. And here is the product. Bridge of the nose. I like to put highlighter literally everywhere. I want a simple eyeshadow look, only shimmer and nothing else. So I'm choosing this Glam eyeshadow stick. It's a pure shine. Simple eyeshadow look, shimmer only, but since I have oily and hooded eyelids, I want everything to be crease and smudge proof, so I need this eyeshadow primer potion from Urban Decay to keep everything smudge and crease proof. And above that, this Glam Crystal Jelly stick in shade Aura Blitz. Since I have hooded eyes, I apply it all over the lid. Try to open my eyes. I'll brush out my eyebrows. and just apply a little bit of this Essence and mascara. So brows are done. Now mascara time for dramatic lashes. My lashes are thin, sparse and short, and this is the only type of mascara that can help them look better, Too Faced Better Than Sex, and Catrice Curler. Red lips, of course, for holiday makeup look. Red lips are must have. I'm gonna use this Essence Lip Combo lip liner. Smudging with the finger a little bit. Glossy Glaze lipstick. What a beautiful bright red. This lipstick is must have if you like bright red. Of course, texture is melting literally. We almost finished our look, so this shimmery setting spray, of course we need more shimmer. Primark shimmery setting spray for final glam. This is simple holiday makeup look with only one eyeshadow and focus on our lips. It's suitable for glasses wearers, for mature skin, hooded eyelids, wrinkles, every problem that you have with skin, pre-makeup lovers. So I think it flatters every age and every skin tone. I hope you like this quick and easy holiday makeup look. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment below, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!